家风情
Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在让我们来收听精彩的客家音乐创作。
Hey, what's up? It's time for another Hakka song on ICRT. I am Joseph Lin, and here comes music by Xu Shihui, or also known as Ame, who went from being an indie singer to a professional musician. And on her fourth album here, Bento Box, it marks the first time that she has been a producer on her own, called Live Each Day Beautifully, or in Hakka, Gojang Miinit, explores the dynamic role associated with gender identity during a social transition into the modern era, which is something we talk about and discuss quite a bit lately. So let's take a listen.
門窗打開，咩位出來腳順，摸來摸去，用下看了幾年嘅書記，衝動也無見嘅朋友，男的向前相比，佢哋從門邊，抽到一個來，用下臉一邊，手本作等嘅祝福，受到最遺憾，實實輕輕放聽書，送親親快有你。來岸邊，已經關係暗夜嘅故事，成不做我盡猜嘅盡猜，要唔起也下爭開始係有意，以前介意嘅青春歲月，已經唔好講。浪費，勇敢脫離無意義嘅基層片，自信總是屬於情感嘅迷信，就是太想對你嘅壓力，成分鐘無存在嘅存在。張口是愛有
许世慧在她第4張專輯《便當》裡面首度擔任自己的製作人，裡面呢深刻描寫女性在時代變遷中，在社會、家庭和個人生活間扮演各種角色的人生心境。而這一首《高講米你》進一步表在新舊社會交替之際呢，性別意識已有不同的意義。希望每一個人呢都能尊重彼此，了解到無論是誰都有追求幸福的自由。Again, that's a song by 徐世慧阿妹。Thank you for listening to another Hakka song. I'm Joseph Lin, and we'll see you next time.
客家風情由客家委員會監製。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.